What a beautiful Sunday morning here in Spring, Texas, Zone 9A. I wanted to get out here really early today because I want to do a Sunday conversation where we talk about how you are the lifeblood of this channel. Sit back, relax, y'all. This is going to be a quick video, but I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. So before we get... my voice. So before we get into the video real quick, let me show y'all a few updates from the garden. There's so much going on. This time of year is the best. I love it. Okay, I'm chronicling these sunflowers. These are those chocolate cherry sunflowers. But look at all of them that are doing just so well. This wisteria plant has finally, in the last 3 or 4 days, started to put on the green here. Looking fantastic, y'all. Look, more sunflowers all back in there. And then the tomatoes. These are the hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025 plants. They look fantastic now. But look at all the tomatoes. They all look great. We got some of the basil right there with them. More sunflowers, different types of sunflowers. These here are another dark-faced sunflower. I can't remember the name of them. Some strawberries. Look at those 2 strawberries right there. Bean plants. More bean plants right here. These are dragon tongue beans, and these are black turtle beans. Never grown the black turtles before, so I'm really excited to see those. The Rampincati zucchini right there. So a quick little garden tour right there. Well, you know what? Since we got you here, why don't we check on our turtle doves? Let's see if she's up there. But I'm going to stay back. Oh, I see her tail. Definitely feel kind of... I actually kind of feel like Ace Ventura. You know the beginning scene? When he calls to all of his pets and they all come out to him? Yeah, I can see her tail right there. Now, I did scare her yesterday by accident. And this is what I saw in the nest. So y'all are the first ones to see the eggs. So excited. Like, really excited. So cool. All right, let's get to the heart of this video. All right, so in the life of a channel, regardless of... This pad is soaking wet. Golly. Okay, so now that I have a wet tush, now that I have a wet butt. All right. When you decide to create a channel, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, wherever, you are going to have certain goals for yourself, whatever those goals are. Mine initially was to get 100 subscribers. Then once we hit that mark, it was to get 1,000 subscribers. Because at the 1,000 subscriber mark is when your channel kind of truly becomes a channel. You could start getting monetized by YouTube, but you also have to have another milestone, which are 4,000 watched hours. That means people out there on YouTube have watched your channel for 4,000 watch hours over the life of your channel. So you have to have 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watched hour milestones before YouTube will say, hey, your channel can be monetized. But when we hit both of those milestones, I did a thank you video because that was amazing to me. Never honestly thought that would happen. Then my next goal internally was 10,000 subscribers. When we passed that mark, I did a thank you video because it's amazing. You know, a YouTuber's channel, whether it's Mr. Beast or Next Level Gardening or Epic Gardening or the Millennial Gardener, or, you know, whoever, M.I. Gardener, James Prigioni, the Gardening Channel, you know, whoever. When you hit certain milestones, you don't do that as a YouTube creator without you. You are the lifeblood of YouTube. You are sitting there right now, wherever you are, whether you're watching this on TV, a laptop, your phone, you are supporting YouTube, and you are supporting whatever channel that you're watching by watching that channel. So right now you are supporting this channel. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you. It means the world to me that you tune in and you comment, and we are building this community together. And I don't just say that, y'all. This truly comes from the bottom of my heart. Now, having said all that, we, and I always say we because a YouTube channel is not just the creator of the channel or the star of the channel. I could be out here by myself in this backyard, and what you see on the screen is exactly who and what I am in life. I don't change anything. I'm not Chad the YouTube guy when I'm on YouTube. No, I'm just Chad the dork who's filming on YouTube. But y'all tune in, y'all support. And about 2 weeks ago, we hit a milestone that I think is pretty doggone cool. I got a little notification from YouTube, and I did not save either of these two notifications, or I'd put them up on the screen right here. But the first one that I think it was 2 weeks ago, this channel passed 50,000 hours of watched time. That is really cool. This channel's life is, where are we at? 3 years, 2 months, 20-something days. So we're coming up on 4 years. April 16th, or April 18th, is the anniversary of this channel. And within 4 years, this channel's passed 50,000 watched hours. That's just mind-boggling to me. And I know a lot of channels that have been around for a long time are like, it's just 50,000. Y'all, this channel hasn't been around a long time. And we have already passed that milestone. So that's really cool in my opinion. Just thinking about it. Most of my videos are less than 20 minutes. So really think about that. 50,000 watched hours. To me, it's really cool. And again, couldn't do anything about this channel or with this channel without you. Right there, you. So we had the 50,000 watched hours 3 weeks ago. And I think 4 days ago, we passed another really big milestone, in my opinion. It's a views milestone. In other words, how many times the channel has been viewed. Y'all, we passed 2 million views for the life of the channel. 2 million views. That is wild. I am just a goofy dude who's in his backyard with a camera, chronicling everything that we do back here, failures, successes, everything in between. And to think that the channel has been watched that many times just is truly humbling and just mind-blowing to me. That is awesome. And again, it's you that does this, that pushes the channel where it's going. Because y'all, we are growing at a pretty good rate. I'm very happy. the rate that this channel is growing. Because let's be real, I'm not gonna lie about it, everybody wishes when they start a YouTube channel that this could be something that they do, especially if it's a passion. And I'm pretty sure in my videos I show that this is a passion for me. I literally just woke up, came out here, grabbed the camera, threw the hat on, and started filming. And I have a very full day today, but I wanted to come out and do this video because it means something to me. It's important to me to convey to you just how thankful I am for you and for your support of this channel. And I hope this video, I hope I'm conveying that in a way that comes off genuine to everyone, because it is genuine. I truly thank everyone, and anyone who I've met or talked to, friends, family, everyone, they know that what I'm saying right now is real. You can ask any of them. They all will say he is absolutely addicted to gardening. He is so thankful for his subscribers, his supporters, everything. And I don't know what else to say, but just thank you. Thank you so much. We are growing. We are going to keep pushing this channel and my message, which I hope comes across the way that I think it comes across, because my message for gardening is really kind of simple. Create a community. Get in your backyard. Garden. Experiment. Have fun. Enjoy it. Share it. And get the youngsters, our next generation, involved in gardening, because there is so much you can learn gardening. And I truly feel that this was a passion that was dormant in me for a long time. It finally was able to come out, and I pray I'm conveying this to everyone on just be you when you're in the garden. And if you are a YouTube creator, just be you in front of the camera. Get used to the camera. Have fun with filming. Try different things. Branch out and meet other YouTubers. That is one of the coolest things about starting this channel to me, that personally I've been able to do, and that's to meet different YouTubers, from Brian in California to Dale in Louisiana to my buddy down south of me, just down south of me, Texas Garden Guy, to everyone who came out to that meet and greet 3 weekends ago, and everyone in between. This is just an amazing gift that YouTube can give us. And that is, again, creating a community of like-minded gardeners, supporting each other and having fun in the garden. Seed swapping, telling stories, personal stories, lifelong stories, just everything that we do on this channel. Again, thank you. Now I'm going to end this video because it is a Sunday. I don't want you all stuck here listening to me ramble and ramble and ramble. But honestly and sincerely from the bottom of my heart, thank you for your support. Thank you. And I mean that, like, so much. Okay, so as always, a video that I expected to be short probably isn't going to be as short as I thought it was when I start editing this in about 15 minutes. So, having said that, I'm going to let you all go. You all take care. God bless. Get outside on this gorgeous, beautiful Sunday, at least here where I am. Hopefully it's beautiful where you are. And if y'all happen to be in the Tomball area later today and you're at the German Fest and you see me, stop by, stop me, and let's take a picture. Let's talk a little bit and continue this community of like-minded gardeners. I want to meet you. So if you see me, this is me. I will be wearing this hat because it pretty much never comes off my head. Unless I'm really sweaty. Then it comes off my head. I will talk to y'all again very soon. Thank you once again. Y'all have a blessed Sunday.